Alright, today on the Mukbangers, we're going to talk about life and life itself. And nothing matters more than life and loving the people that you love, support, and harmony. Hey, now come on, baby. Tell me that.
Came over this way.
Hey, come on, baby. Bring it in.
What's up, everybody? We are back with another video. And today we have spaghetti.
I'm just going to pick it up and eat like hey.
And a side salad. Look. Spaghetti. Garlic bread. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
And side salad.
You know, I get a little bit sad. I ain't doing much rabbit food and stuff. No, I'm just playing. Salad's good. It's good for you.
So, let's get started. I think I gave myself too much. I don't know.
Go ahead and stuff. Spaghetti. You put the sugar.
Oh, snap.
Y'all put sugar in y'all spaghetti?
I didn't put no sugar in the, how it taste? I didn't put no sugar in there. Need sugar?
Yep.
We'll be back.
No, we'll be back. I'm going to get some sugar real quick.
Where you going? I'm going to pour the Coke.
Do that. That change YouTube out a little bit.
Wait, do you got anything? Any ice for your cup? No.
I don't want no ice. I want sugar.
I usually put it in while I cook, but I was rushing.
Nah, just playing.
Oh, you want some more?
What is this?
I know.
I look like I'm 3. Alright, let's not chill.
Alright.
The guest of honor.
Let's top it on it.
Is this right here. Y'all put sugar in y'all spaghetti. Sugar goes in spaghetti. I don't want to hear it. There's mushrooms and everything in this thing.
Yeah, we have, I can put mushrooms, carrot, onions, celery, green pepper, ground turkey.
Sugar.
And yeah. I usually put it while I'm cooking it, but I definitely
Oh, you know,
forgot
the cheese.
I don't want no.
I do. I'll be right back. One more time.
I usually put sugar in there while I cook, but I was just rushing. It was just a lot going on. So, you want me to edit it? I don't know. The kids had it last night.
Say the kids, you would never find nothing.
And my salad have a little creamy French.
Excuse me. I ain't going no more.
And a little classic ranch.
You gotta have this.
I like to mix mine.
You got to have that. Hey. Boom, boom, boom. All right,
how was everybody's day?
All right.
You know what? I'm the type of person, like, when I eat, I want everything to be situated so I can eat. Like, you know how you took your first bite? I would never take my first bite until everything was, like...
I would.
all dressed up and everything.
No glass needed.
Hey, y'all want the first bite? Yummy, yummy.
You think about doing an ASMR?
I could have put on there for you. Go ahead. You was thinking about doing ASMR?
Yeah. What would y'all like? What ASMR would y'all like to see us attempt? Cause y'all know ASMRs don't end up too much. It don't end up good. Which one you think, baby?
I'm eating my hair.
You told me you put shrimp in here?
Okay. It's shrimp in it too, y'all.
Chill.
We got 2 types of noodles. Angel hair and spaghetti.
Kids like it that well.
Big family, so we got a big pan full. That's good.
They talking about it's supposed to snow again. It's the middle of February. When is it supposed to stop?
We haven't had a bad winter, but like it's trying to come last minute.
Right. Oh man. Look at that.
What, baby?
Oh.
What?
Bing. That's that idea.
What?
Mix the salad with the spaghetti and mix it all up. Don't tell me y'all ain't never do this before. Stop it. Tell her that people do this stuff.
Y'all know I don't.
It runs hand in
I don't like
hand.
my food touch.
It runs hand in hand. It does. And it's a great taste. You don't knock it till you try it, baby. You gotta try it. Wanna try it?
Nope.
Your loss is actually good.
This is also very delicious.
Cause next time you eat that corn dog, you don't put no mumbo on there. We have some pie. You put some hot sauce on that corn dog. I ain't never seen nobody put no hot sauce on corn dog.
Look,
Don't knock it till I try it. So I'm gonna have to try it.
I was asleep when you went live. And I woke up and I heard you talking. So who that comes on?
Nene eats. And do that challenge real soon for you.
Yeah, we gotta order the noodles.
Alright.
We didn't order them yet. We slacking, we
got it. We gonna make it
gonna
happen.
order them. You know what? I'm seeing a lot of people finish those wings though.
But not noodles.
You might be on to something, Nene. I got a nice group of people I want to challenge when we finish.
What? I got some too. Oh, y'all know what I want to talk about today?
What do you want to talk about, baby?
I forgot. Supporting your people. That's a touchy subject. They said don't do it. They told me not to do it. Who told me to do it? My mama told me not to do it. She told me say what I got to say and keep it moving.
But your people, he mean by family, supporting family.
Close friends.
Right. Which I was telling him is they're going to be your last supporters. My salad fell right in the middle of my spaghetti.
Eat it. It's good for you. All right, so your family should support you no matter what your decision is. As long as you're doing something positive, your family should support you. Excuse me. There's no reason why they should not be sharing your videos, like sharing anything you do. Like if you're selling t-shirts, your family should support you. I don't care if you're selling pens. Before they go to that dollar store and get them pens, they should come to you for a pen and not asking for no discount. Like real life, right. Your family should not ask for you for no discount. Your family should support you in anything you do that's positive. They should support you. I see if you doing something negative, you people like, nah, I ain't supporting that. That's a little iffy right there. I ain't doing that. But when you're doing something that you like to do, you know what I'm saying, that's positive, they should be 100% backing you. Mind you, we got people that, some of our family that back you, know what I'm saying? But I see like I got more outsiders. I'm not gonna call them outsiders, they like my family too, you feel me? But I'm gonna say I got
more people that were once strangers are now
supporters.
Right.
And then I got people that's not even my blood relations support me more than people that see me grow up from yay high. It's different. It's like you just look at this, you be like, this is crazy. Like it don't cost you nothing to go ahead and check this video out. It don't cost you nothing to go ahead and share this video. It doesn't.
See.
It don't cost you to like it.
Me, I don't look for that support. As bad as it sounds, but I just don't look for that support in other people.
It's not looking for it.
I mean,
it's like,
I know you're not looking for it, but
just be like,
this is what you think.
What's up? You
right.
feel me? Because if you was doing something, I'd be the first one. As soon as somebody I know doing something, I'm putting you out there. Like, oh yeah, my homeboy do this, or I know somebody that do this that can make it happen. You know what I'm saying? If I can't do it, I'm like, I know somebody can do it. I know. Matter of fact, let me call, let me check, let me get on Facebook and holler at.
But you know, babe, everybody don't operate like that.
You feel me? Support those that support you. That is a real statement.
Just stick to your loyalty.
That's all it is. You know. You just gotta shy away from some people. You know. But
love them from afar.
Right.
That's what they say.
You know. But shout out to everybody that support us. We appreciate it. We're on our road to 1,000 subscribers. We are appreciative of y'all.
I think we have like 670. We're almost there.
We're almost there.
Mm-hmm. I don't know what this pinky is, but
I don't know. It's a little dance move. Alright, but yeah, support those that support you. People that support. Y'all go watch Cuzzo AV page. Y'all go watch Nene page. Y'all go. Matter of fact, if I could just name everybody,
it'd be Bueno.
Right. It just Romeo. Go watch his page. It's deep. It's like it's a lot of people. Go watch my brother page. Look.
Tasty Mukbang. Tasty Mukbang.
It's catchy. Sorry.
Oh, SNS TV.
Oh, go watch SNS TV. I was ready to she took it right out of my mouth. See, there's so many people.
We want to get a
satisfying list. ASMR. Listen, we can get a list and sit on here and read them one day of everybody that's commenting on our stuff every day. Every time we watch a video, we get comments from these people. Like every day, it's not a day that go by. I should get my phone and just go ahead and start reading off names. It's deep. Like every time we drop a video, these same people comment on our stuff, and we
and my sister,
it. Right? It's not too many people that's dropping on us every time we drop something. They comment, drop in. You know, it doesn't take much to show support. To
watch
those.
1 minute, 2 minutes. We ain't asking you to watch the whole 20-minute video.
Right,
we know
just
that.
Check it out. Drop in. If it's not something that you like, you know what I'm saying? All right, we understand that, but you can still drop in. All right, let me put this right here. Let me drop in. I dropped in for a minute or two, you know, and I got up out of there. It's the support that counts. That's the thought.
Everybody that watch our videos, we watch your video.
We do.
And if we don't watch the whole thing, no offense, we let it play though.
Right. I have no problem with letting y'all videos play. Like, none at all.
But most of the time we watch most of them. But sometimes we might get caught up with the kids and put the phone down, but it's still playing. We're not going to exit off of it.
Your lives. As long as you ain't on there for no long time, I'll get on your live and go ahead. I'll chit-chat on your live, you know. I ain't gonna front with you. I like people's lives is great, especially the supportive lives, because it's always something positive coming out of people's mouth. It's something positive in the comments. It's positivity. Everybody putting positive vibes in the air. That is marvelous. That is wonderful. That is what we are striving to achieve. Positivity all around the book. That is what we are striving to achieve. Positivity.
I'm dancing because it's so good, y'all. I'm sorry.
But I know. Got who? You know, we're gonna make a list though, and we're gonna come on here.
Yeah.
We're gonna sit. I don't know if we're gonna eat now. We're gonna make a list, we're gonna come on here and we're gonna shout out
Grace.
everybody.
That's my girl right there.
Everybody that's on our videos every day. You know what's crazy is? Speaking of support things, yo, we got people, you feel me, that if they miss a couple days without watching our videos, they go back to the video that they missed and catch up on the videos. That's how crazy it is. That's something that I will go to your old video and comment on your old video. Like, if I miss it, I'm trying to catch up because maybe you said something right there and you related to this right here. Come on now, I can't be lost, you know. That's what friends do. We pay attention. We listen.
Okay.
Analyze. Visualize.
Ooh, I'm full.
You know? We want to see success for everybody. 2019, success. Support those that support you. And after I eat this bite, we're going to call it a night. But, you know, y'all stay positive.
I heart you. We heart you. Give you two that last bite.
I made it. I knew you.
You too.
Y'all, stay strong, stay positive, stay smart, keep striving to achieve your goals.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. Nothing happens overnight. Nothing. My aunts and my uncles keep calling my phone. They got me in a group chat. I ain't going for the group chat. I'm sorry. Yeah, I ain't going.
He done went off for everybody on Facebook, y'all.
I'm sorry. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. Still love y'all. It's just you recognize what you recognize. You see what you see. You believe what you believe.
And
cut action. Boom. No. All right.
Cut action.
Boom. And we out of here for another episode of the Banger Signal.
But if you like our content, subscribe.
Like.
Give this video a thumbs up. Comment. Hit the bell notification so you're notified next time we post a brand new video. Thanks for watching.
Deuces. Support the supporters.